Fortunately, we have a generator. Since the power went out today because of that storm, we turned it on and it kept our basement from flooding so we could turn the sump pump on, and it also allowed me to plug in my computer so I continue to edit videos. Unfortunately, I don't have any internet connection, so I'm going to have to wait until the power comes back on to upload videos. I don't think it'll make much of a difference on my scheduling because generally I schedule them a few days in advance. I think we'll probably have power back at least by Tuesday. Here's the extension cord running out to the generator, and it's hooked up to this light right here, and that's hooked up to my computer. When I woke up, I was delighted to see the power back on. It was out for about 6 hours, probably came back on around 11:30 or midnight. So of course I have my computer running, uploading some videos. Also I took a shower and was able to flush the toilet, which are all things you kind of take for advantage. But when you don't have power, you realize how nice they are to have, be able to take the shower and flush the toilet and use the internet.